cloud of blue, and this cloud of blue is it's very mysterious because your mind goes to certain places. That's where I find, I fear my mind. I fear my imagination that comes in that can create some pretty scary things. My mind is probably actually the biggest part of where my fears come from. Not that it is anything that I need to fear. I don't need to fear being in the open water. I don't need to fear being out in that vast nothingness, but it's what comes in through my imagination that creates the fear in that vast nothingness. That's pretty unfruitful.
Yeah, this blueberry plant's without the berries?
Yeah.
What's up with that?
These are berryless blueberry bushes. But there's lots of them.
They're blueberries, not blueberries.
Blueberries!
Oh.
Woo!
Whereberries?
Whereberries?
Whereberries. Howberries.
Not here berries.
Where be the whoberries? And how do we find them?
In the now.
Why?
In the here and now. You connect with them in the present moment. They will reveal themselves to you.
Alright. 3 blues.
They're here, but they're not here.
They're here, but they're not. That's right. I found 5.
You got 3? You got 5? Oh, you're
I shared 2 of them.
leading the charge.
Actually, the more that you practice being grateful for even just one blueberry, then the more abundance you will truly have.
Smells like honey.
Howdy doodle.
Welcome.
Ready for the blobs? I'm gonna go with the regular fern. Holes, blueberries fall out. Tragic. Solution? I think so.
Beautiful.
Thank you for your leaves, ferns. I don't know how to repay the ferns. Give it water? Yeah, they get enough water.
I've been discussing that with people, and one of my thoughts was to spit on its roots.
Seems very vulgar, but that is a societal-based thing.
You ever read the book Dune? So one of the ways that the people from the desert planet show respect is to spit, because water is so precious to their people.
Oh, my spit's so dry and horrible.
And then another thing that came up was allowing some mosquitoes to bite you to put your nutrients at least back into the web.
Ecosystem.
Yeah.
And I will let the mosquito bite me today. I will allow 4 bites. Roll out of my thing in a big. Out of my
I try to convince myself to allow the mosquito bite itch to be a reminder of how I'm giving back to the ecosystem.
It's working. They're very sparse here, the blues, but nonetheless, each one shall be cherished.
Oh, yeah.
I just ripped a hole in my crotch.
Incredible. Incredible.
Blueberries.
Beautiful.
Yum.
He's putting on his like black socks, and he's just all very different, unique needs and challenges.
Race question, then it becomes a human-to-human conversation when it's got to be an earth and creation conversation. It gets too distracted. About understanding our relationship to berries, you know, like that's why I offer tobacco for these berries. Like this is now a life force. It's giving us this medicine, right? But all the things that have to interact and exchange for these berries to now be in my hands is magic beyond my comprehension, you know. But we get too distracted by the focus on the human-to-human paramount, and that's got to change. That's got to change.
This is a fern. Well, I mean, I see its leaf patterns. There it is. Very psychedelic. Nutrient highways that lead to the center stem and then eventually to here. Just a really good system of flow. Information highways of light.
Mm-hmm.
And then little hairs on the end, which is kind of cute. Yeah, really cool. Fractals. I see fractals. Holy, where did you pick that thing?
Tree number 27. No apologies required.
Yeah.
Keep picking, they do that. I might just stay there, like camp for an extra night there and do more picking. A little picking here, a little picking there.
All of that you want to
Pick there, pick everywhere, pick.
Yeah, it'll be nice to swim.
Here's a tip.
All the changes change that we're making, that we can do it together and we can collaborate and make these connections to co-creating and really making it a space that is welcome for all beings, not just humans, but all the animals and these trees and the birds and all the insects and the water that is so very much a part of us. So yeah.
Coochie froggy. No, don't eat the froggy.
Fresh, sweet, wild blueberries. Would you like one?
Thank you.
Mm.